Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native Ada token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The Ada token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. In this video, we will share with you some news on this cryptocurrency. Cardano sees 6x more transaction volumes than Ethereum at $42.1 billion, topping in on-chain activity. Per recent data from Messari, Cardano has seen 6 times more Ethereum transaction volumes in the last 24 hours, at a present value of $42.1 billion. Overall, Cardano tops in on-chain activity, leading in 24-hour transaction volumes and adjusted transaction volumes as well. Cardano outperformed lead cryptocurrencies Bitcoin and Ethereum, which recorded $36.38 billion and $7.42 billion, respectively. Adjusted transaction volume remains a good way to isolate only the most important transactions. Cardano outperformed lead cryptocurrencies Bitcoin and Ethereum in adjusted transaction volumes, with a 24-hour volume of $41 billion, compared to Bitcoin's $13.83 billion and Ethereum's $5.94 billion. Cardano large transactions spike. Alongside this, the Cardano blockchain reported a massive rise in large transactions greater than $100,000 in the last 24 hours. Per block data, the number of Cardano's large transactions has risen nearly 83% over the past day to 6,715. Large transactions are those in which the amount transferred exceeds $100,000, according to block. The on-chain volume of these transactions gives an idea of the amount whales and institutional players transact on a given day. Increases in the volume of large transactions indicate increased activity among institutional buyers and sellers. As Today previously reported, Cardano continues to see accumulation as large addresses holding between 100,000 and 1 million tokens bought more than 16 million ADA, as the price neared the $1 mark on March 1st. In similar news, decentralized Cardano-based exchange AdaSwap has secured $2.6 million in funding from such investors as Pluto Digital, GBV Capital, The Angels, Finova Capital and Banter Capital. Israeli actor Skal Gadot, who became an meaning we may get some updates to the Cardano roadmap that include Hydra dates. IOHK says it will have a developer preview for Hydra node available ahead of the Cardano summit. Here, it will allow a small number of users to make transactions via Hydra head. This proof of concept, and any other future updates or prototypes, will be available to view via the GitHub repository. Of course, all the information we have on Hydra is subject to change. We'll keep this page updated as any news comes out. As a Layer 2 system, Hydra will seek to scale the wider Cardano blockchain by reducing latency and increasing the throughput, or transactions per second, TPS. IOHK states Hydra can reach confirmation times of under 1 second, compared to the Cardano mainnet latency of 20 seconds. Cardano price analysis. ADA breaks above 86 cents. Will the bullish momentum continue? The one-day price chart for Cardano price analysis shows an increase in price. The ADA is trading hands at $0.836 at the time of writing. The crypto pair gained a value of $5.36 over the last 24 hours, but as press release. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, bundle together assets and sell shares to investors. It's a way to get exposure to the underlying assets without owning them directly. Futures contracts speculate on the price of an asset, which can be anything from a stock, commodity or, in this case, a cryptocurrency. There's reason to believe CME won't wait long to increase its crypto product offerings. Pale Shah, CME's Director of Equity and Cryptocurrency Products, said last week that the group is looking at offering futures contracts for Cardano and Solana. Right now, CME offers Bitcoin and Ethereum futures, as well as futures contracts for Micro Bitcoin and Micro Ethereum, which can be purchased in denominations 1/10 the size of 1 BTC or ETH. And those futures contracts have done remarkably well for CME. Micro Bitcoin futures, which launched last May, have already generated almost 5 million contracts, said Shah. In the few years, just over 4 years since we launched our initial futures contract, the standard Bitcoin future with 5-time multiplier, we've seen that grow from doing 1,000. And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the TechNews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $1.23, a minimum price of $1.19, and a maximum price of $1.40. ADA prediction 2023 for a long-term forecast of the Cardano price. Basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average ADA price will rise to around $1.79 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.04 with a minimum price level $1.74.